First job on this loft is to get rid of this old chipboard crap boarding. Today we're going to do this middle section, get around the hatch. Fully insulated already. I'm going to do a bit down there where the new boiler is going to go, right by the tank.
You want some of his easy bits back?
These things are what you call easy vents. Onto non-breathable felt. Not sure if they do much. Be a bit careful on the pipe work today.
Yeah, they're nothing, I guess. Sound like they're all on the road down here, aren't they? Springy.
When you're putting the CLS down, make sure you overlap. Makes it much stronger. Put the insulation back.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Fairly old property, this one, so you'll find all the original joists. A lot of them are bowed over.
Right, I need one, two, three.
These don't look too bad. Right, battens are all down. Insulation is nearly back. Give those downlighters a wide miss. Pull the insulation from around them. When you start the boarding, start around the hatch and work out. See, we're bracing every joint. That's just for double safety.
55 will be good. 55.
And we'll cut that in.
Yeah, we're back.
Make sure you put 2 screws in either side of the bracing. And start a new line.
Don't bury cables.
Don't bury cables, yeah.
That's just a pain in the ass to get out again.
It is.
Don't do that either. That'll get all the joints to line up.
Yep, don't line up your joints, so it makes for a weak spot. Overlap them. They tend to overlap around about 6 to 8 inches minimum. This one goes right in the middle of the batten, which is really handy for us, saves us using any more bracing. Just start the next line there. That bit's for the new boiler that's going to be fitted. It's coming off the tank there, so we know roughly where it's going to go. Just raise that and boil it. This is the main area. It's going up to that second V. And there's an idiot. Not quite finished. There we go, all done. Just got to clear up. Less than half of this board. Less than half of this boarded. Just got to clear up now. Which is a fun bit, to be honest. Alright, so we've left the pipe to clear. Hence why we've done this middle section. This couple's having a new boiler fitted, which we've laid the boarding down for around the corner there. Cut around the hatch, braced it all up. As you can see me walking on it, solid. Keep your comments coming. Please like, please subscribe.